Shit, I'm not.
What you say? Wait. Holy shit. You guys are lucky I didn't bring my car.
I'm about to back out of this one. Nah.
That's a 2-0.
Nah, that ain't no 2-0.
Wait, do I have to put my name in?
No 2-0. Red light in the left lane, right lane. Y'all both red lighted? Yeah, you broke our axle. See the axle right there?
Yes, I did, but I forgot my number here though.
He red lighted though.
Move, I think. Good as that. Yeah, 1-7 for real.
I was all over the place. I red lighted, being greedy. Ah, my shit is. Ah, yeah. I was way off. That was on me.
Got a 4.5 motor with all-wheel drive, so.
Big bully. Big bully. All that power.
Yeah, don't do this. 160, 55.
That's it. That's all you, right?
Yeah, I won.
Man, I don't know who I'm racing this. I fucked up.
160.
Yeah, you have to buy.
Maybe that's why you don't remember a number. I don't remember. Still gotta get
Red light in the right lane. Nice driving with you red light.
Yeah, you guys, Chris.
They say I got the fire on.
Both, he red lighted again.
Me?
He red lighted because of what? Yeah, but it's a rerun. Y'all both red light. Keep going. There you go. Now you want your thing. You ain't gonna red light now. 1-1.
How y'all doing? I'm on the Jordan ride.
Yeah, he fixed. Keep going. There you go.
You buying back in again?
I ain't lost you. I ain't
Damn, yo. And he was on the thing. He was on his wheel. It's ready.
I can't wait.
Nice run, little man. You won. That's all I count. See that you okay?
No, I
Good to go.
Not that.
Yeah,
What's up with the rerun?
Yeah, bro. Y'all both read it?
Yeah, shit. Yeah, I don't know how. Right there.
You see it, right? The only way he red light now is if you leave early. Both red light. Left lane red light first, so he's gonna give it to the right lane. He left. It was on his wheels. He left early. Go ahead. Right there. Right there. You're perfect. See that? Yeah. Nice one, fellas. Nice one. Oh, the sun hitting that shit now. One hit. 2-1. Keep going. You good. You red lit? You red lit? So what is that, 1-1? Are you over? You gonna take it like that, Brian?
No. Hey.
He ain't taking it like that. We don't run like that. We don't run like that. Bring that thing back to the line. Beat you,
said that, Coach. When I'd have got that truck, I'd have sure said something. And it wouldn't have been nice, neither. Every word would have started with an F.
He said these motherfuckers, they seen that mistake in these motherfuckers there.
Ready?
Oh yeah, he turned that thing up in that left lane.
That's
1-9, 1-8, he beat you up. Good to go. Keep going, left lane, keep going. You good. You red lighted? Damn. Shake his hand.
So that's bumper again. It was 1-1 and you read over there right there. I don't know why.
Who recorded it?
Brian!
Yeah. We can run it back.
Check it out.
Yeah, we got. Yeah, he gave it to us that time. Ooh, little man running a 1.6. You turned up on me, huh? Okay. We got one more. It was 1-1. Yeah, he treated me.
That was.
He treated me. Hell of a run, little man. What the?
Yeah, y'all record that? Who recorded? Who won? They're looking at the camera. Luckily they were there.
You want to rerun it? Yeah. Yeah, if you can't see it good, he said we could rerun it. You heard, little man. He said, let's rerun it.
Tough call.
Check
it out, Driz.
Yeah, hell yeah. I've been wanting to rerun it. I'll tell you that.
Get your accuracy. This time it's going to read it. Watch.
We're gonna go. Let's go down there and see that camera.
You got it on top, man. I know it. You got it. Yeah, good.
I want to see it with him anyway. Me and little man came to see our race.
Oh, he pulled off
He did right there in the white shirt. He got it too. He got it. I didn't get it.
Nah, he got a perfect view of it right there. Nice racing, little man. Great racing,
That
man.
shit was close.
Hey, I got to get better for you because I see you coming for my ass, man. Let